Welcome to Brain Pro. Today we are going to teach how to model roof members like this on Revit. So we are going to use the curtain wall method to create these roof members. So let's go to our Revit. Now this is our model. Let's check it on the 3D. This is how our model looks like. So let's try and create a roof for this model here. So go to the architectural roof and footprint. Then you select this pick line tools and make sure you select and make sure you keep the overhangs at 300 mm. So you select this and go all rounds. And you go all round and you use the splitting tool to make it perfect. This is not aligning well, but I'll come back to it. So let's make this 300 like others. I'll just delete it and click it again to 300. So you can see. So there we have that. So let's check our roof in the 3D view so you can see this. So I like to have the slope of this roof so you can have a gablet roof in this front here. So let's go back to the level 2. Click this front line and off the slope, turn off the slope. So you can have this look here. So you click this now to attach this wall to the base of this roof. You can do that for this as well. Just to make it look nice. Do that for this as well. So now we are good to go. So now let's do that for all the walls. So we don't have any opening beneath our roof. So now click here now, click your roof now. So we select the slope glazing. So you know we are using curtain wall to create the roof members. So now you select the slope glazing, then you come here and you duplicate it to roof rafters. Quick one, anything you want to do of Revit, make sure you always duplicate so it will not override the default component of that project. So always make sure you duplicate anything you are doing. So this is our roof rafter. So now I want us to create a mullion. The mullion sizes we have on this, the pre-installed one is not the size of what we want to use. We're going to use the roof member size of 2 inches by 6 inches. And I'm not sure we have that here in any of this. This is 1 inch square, 1 inch by 1 inch. So let's create our own mullion. So let's do this. So before we create our roof member, which is before we create our roof rafters, I want to try and elongate this building a little so you can have a proper view of what we are doing. So let's try and elongate this building a little. So let's put this again. So now I think it looks nicer now. Let's try and make all these in our level 2. So let's make this shaded. Let's go back to our 3D view. Let's use shaded as well. So now I'm going to So now we are going to create our rafters, like I said, using this our rectangular mullion. So you come to project browser tab. So you look for families, you select families, then you click on curtain wall mullions. Come to the rectangular mullion, then you just click on one of these. So you can create our own roof rafters. First, you duplicate, like I said earlier. So you make this 15 by, okay, let's just name this rafters. Then you make this 150, which is 6 inches, 76 inches. Then we'll make this, let me just use 150 mm. Then we'll make this 25 mm. Then 25 mm, that's 50. It's 25, 25 on both sides. So that's 15. So now we come back here, we've created our new rafter now, one of the millions that we named rafters. So we come back to our roof and you select edit type. Sorry, let's do that again. Edit type. Then on your grid 1, you choose the maximum spacing, and the spacing between our roof rafters, we make it 400. So then the mullion grid, we select the rafters that we created. This, just change this to 1 million only rafters. So okay. So then again, so you can see how our roof looks like. Then so let's try and make this our wall. These inner walls, let's detach all of them. I don't like the way they are being attached. So I'll just detach them. So now we select, you can see, we are trying to use curtain wall to create the members. So you can see that we have glass within our roof members there. So what you do is you come back here, you choose the panel, instead of none, make it empty. So it can remove the glass that is beneath this wall. So now the glasses have been deleted. So now let's create our ridge board. We go to mullion, we come here, we edit type. So we click let's name this, duplicate, then we name this ridge dots. So we click OK, and we make this 100, we make this 10, 10. So let's take 10. Then we make this angle 30. So let's click all grid like so it can place the mullion all the way down. So select this, that's our ridge board over there. Then you click here to put the ridge board here. Then you come to our mullion again. Let's create a roof pattern. So make this 0, 0. Let's make this 25, 25, 25, 25. So let's try and name this. Let's put roof in front. So we come to our elevation. Let's click one of these views, maybe south or whatever. You can easily select your roof and copy it. So you come in, then you raise your roof up, you copy it up, then you use your tab key to select the whole roof by hovering and clicking. So you select slope glazing so that you can delete all these members here. So let's go back to our 3D. So let's select this. So let's select this. So we can delete them. So we make this, we duplicate this again. So this one happens. So click OK. Then, so come to grade 2. We make this maximum spacing. We make this 300. We come to grade 2 model and we select our battens. So let's not forget to make this panel length again. So it will not be showing the glass. So you can see what we have here now. So you can see. So you can see what we have here. So you can see that our roof members is taking shape now. So now we come to this south view. Then let's just use the line. Then select this and bring this down here. Okay, let's try and create a section so that moving that on top of the rafters will be easy. So let's go by creating a section on this. So let's create our section. So I'll go to this view now. This is our section view. So let's select this. This our board should be straight. Let me try and check this angle. Set to be 25. Okay, I think 25 is making it fit. So, okay. So now let's drop this here. When you drop it down here, so we try and adjust it. We move it a little bit up. So you can see, I just make it drop here. Yes, perfect. So let's see how our roof is now looking like in 3D. So you can see the way it's looking like now. You can see the way our roof is looking. You can see our roof member. You can see is our roof member is now coming in shape now. So next thing is try and create a tight beam here. So what we'll do is we come to our section level, then we try and create this wall here. Detach it. It will not the same thing. So you can see our place over here. So we'll try and create it. So let's try and go to our level 1. So you can see, let's go to our section view here. So now we'll try and create a type here. So let's click model in place and go to the roof category. Select the roof category and name it tie. This is our tie beam for the roof. So select plane, pick a plane, click here, this facial board here. Okay. So try and pick a plane to draw our tie beam. So we click this model extrusion, click this to draw our tie beam here. Let's draw our tie beam. Start from somewhere here. So select this. We'll set this line by 200. Let's offset this line by 200. And select this again and turn this to 0. And you trim it. Make this 15. Let's try and choose. So let's check. Let's try and look for that's here. Good. So let's use this. Use this. Let's go back again. Let's use render appearance. Okay. Let's go to our 3D view. Click finish. To our 3D view to see what we just created. So you can see our tie being here. So you can see our tie being here. So let's try and copy this tie beam. So let's use this component. Let's use one of Let's use this one of our elevation here. Let's use east or west. So let's try and we can see how our type beam looks like. So I'm going to copy our type beam forward and backward. So copy, so let's change the material of our other members. So let's try and copy this material first. This in place. So let's put our materials in all of this. So material will change to software number. if you are in case I'm wondering what I'm doing, I'm just I copied the material name and I'm pasting it in all of this. That's what I did. So after filling all the material, so you can see how this is perfect for our roof member. So if you like to see, you like what we are doing, so you can check our other videos. And please do not hesitate to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.